Guys, welcome to Motor Club T-Side. Today I have something special. It's a 61 plate 2011 all blacked out Audi TTS with some modifications. Got a quad scorpion exhaust, ceramic coated brakes, red calipers, APR badge at the back with induction kit and a Maxton Kit on it. So yeah, there's a lot going on. Lovely car, loads of paperwork, carbon wing at the back which can be up and down, you can raise it. Do a quick walk around video of the vehicle. It's got 85,000 miles on the clock. Now if you like the view of this vehicle, please give us a shout, visit our website. That's for myself, JD, or my older brother Assad, based in Thornby between Stockton and Middlesbrough. Arrange a viewing and test drive for yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video.